Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 8, that is many, a few, some, any, a lot. Many, a large number of. Few, a small number of. Some, quite a lot. It means there is some cake in the kitchen. So we don't know how much cake is there, so use there some word. Okay? Any. Used to refer to one or some of a thing or number, like I don't have any choice. A lot. A lot means a large number or amount, like I have a lot of homework. So here is some example. Let's see. Many toys were found during the digging of the sites of the Indus Valley civilization. So here use many. बहुत सारे toys were found during the digging of the site of the Indus Valley civilization. A lot of bird-shaped whistles were found. A few carts with wheels were also found. A few means kuch. Not many signs of large-scale destructions are found on the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro sites. Finding the toys suggests that people had a lot of leisure time. Some archaeologists believe that the people probably enjoyed living a peaceful and contented life. Some means kuch. So, tick the words that are similar in meaning to. A few. What is the similar word of few? That is some. A large number of. What is the similar meaning of a large of? That is many, a lot of. Number 1, we use word like a and some, a few, many, not many, a lot, a few with countable noun. With countable noun, we use this all words. What is countable noun? Anything that can be counted, whether it is singular or plural, that is called countable noun. Like bed, chair, table, pencil, pen, these all things are countable, which we count easily. Example, many toys were found during the digging of the site of the Indus Valley civilization. So many toys, बहुत सारे toys. Some archaeologists believe that the people probably enjoyed living a peaceful and contented life. Some means कुछ archaeologists believe that people probably enjoyed living a peaceful and contented life. So we use some and any. This some and any word with uncountable and plural noun to mean a limited number or quantity. What is uncountable noun? Uncountable, a noun that refer to thing that normally cannot be counted, is called uncountable noun. We use some in positive statement. We use any in negative statement, and in question. Negative means no. So here is some example. Let's see. Countable, that book. She has a book. She has some book. So book is countable noun. We easily count how many book is there. Uncountable, that is information. She has some informations. She has not got any books. She has not got any information. Has she got any book? Has she got any information? So book, here book, which we counted easily, but we cannot count this information. Okay, so this is uncountable noun. So students, here is some exercise, like cross out the wrong option. Here we cross out, like do you have any or some information about the river Saraswati? Do you have any information about the river Saraswati? So some is here wrong option. Match the beginning and end of the sentence. So next is much, many, a lot of, a few, a little. We use much with uncountable noun. Remember, uncountable noun are only singular. It is more common to use much in negative sentence and in questions. Okay, so much, we use much uncountable noun, and uncountable noun are only singular. It is more common to use much in negative sentences and in questions. They did not eat much rice. So, did they speak much Sanskrit? So, rice is here uncountable noun. So, before uncountable noun, here what was used? Much. We use many with countable noun in plural form. Many ancient books have survived. So this books is countable as well as plural form. So we used here many. We have many ideas now. Many. A lot is common informally. We use a lot of before uncountable noun. A lot of word is used before uncountable noun, and before uncountable noun in plural form. Which form? Plural form. A lot of jewelry has survived. So a lot of. See students here, a lot of jewelry has survived. We have a lot of statues of different gods. We use a little with uncountable and a few with plural form. So what we use? We use a little with uncountable and a few with plural form. There is a little water in this tank. So little water. Water is uncountable noun. We cannot count the water. So what we use a little before uncountable noun. Here are a few steps to go into the tank. Here are a few steps to go into the tank. So steps is here plural. So we use a few. Countable noun. She got a lot of books. Uncountable noun. She got a lot of informations. She's got a few books. She's got a little information. She has not got many books. She has not got much information. How many books do you have? How much information do you have? See the difference between two sentences. Choose a word from the box below to go with the noun. So from here we have to choose the proper word. So students, PDF I will send you. I hope you all understand. If you have any difficulties regarding this, let me know. Okay, thank you.